Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly and easily merge two items, how to combine two items into one and merge their stats into one item. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to have the combine station. The station is unlocked from the beginning, so you don't have to research any magazines or find books, and all you need to do is find 50 iron and 100 wood, which can be gathered by punching bigger bushes or the dead bushes, which look like this right here. Just punch it, or chop down trees using a stone axe, and then iron you can get by also using the stone axe to break down cars, or finding an iron ore, or just scrapping some iron pipes and other stuff. And once you craft the combine station, go ahead and place it down, and when you open it, it is going to say item A and item B. So pick out two items which you want to combine. Let's say I'll combine this wrench, which has an additional attacks per minute, and this one, which has block damage and max durability. And when you click on one of these items, A or B, and then just aim at the result, you'll see what you'll gain to the item that you've selected. So, for example, I'll select item A, and you can see I've got plenty of damage, reduced stamina cost, and some durability, and with the item B, I get more attacks per minute. Then you can just go ahead and pick this up from the result, and this is how you combine the items and weapons, tools, in 7 Days to Die. So this is pretty much all. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.